Alright, so as you can see, I added my okras into the coconut milk. I added the 2 pieces of corn, and now I'm about to add the dumplings and then season it up with some sazon, black pepper and salt, and then wait for it to dry down. Alright, stay tuned. So now I'll be adding some black pepper, and also I'll be adding some of my sazon and a tablespoon of salt, and that's it. Yes guys, we're back again. So as the dumpling and the corn is being boiled in the coconut milk, I have here some muikku. It's little tiny fishes. In Finland they are called muikku, but it resembles something from back home that we call jacks or fry dry. But they call it muikku, so I have to call it muikku. So this muikku is going to be placed into the coconut milk with the dumplings. And I'm cooking what I call yaba. Anybody knows what yaba is? Leave a comment down below. Yes guys, so the muikku is in the coconut milk with the dumplings and the okra and the corn. Everything is going cooking down in the coconut juice. Stay tuned and watch the process. Yes, it's time to eat guys, time to eat. There's the fish, the muikku. It disintegrated, but never mind. The flavor and everything is still there in the food. We got some of this nice thick coconut milk. Oh, look at that. Ooh, look at that gravy. Oh my gosh. The okra still intact, and here is my corn. Alright guys, so that's the finished product. Time to go eat.